Hello, how are you all today? I was visiting some family today and we were talking about persecution. How does it feel to be persecuted? So I want to and if you imagine about the history of the world, all of us have been persecuted in one country or another, one religion or another, one belief or another, at one stage in our lives or in our genetic memories or our karmic memories, if that's your belief. So I wanted to sort of work on releasing the feeling of being persecuted and increasing your belief in yourself so that we can move forward with light and love and happiness. So releasing the toxicity of persecution. Releasing the feeling of being persecuted. Releasing that negative energy of being persecuted. How does even the word make you feel? Run that central meridian. Increase that energy to your conscious brain. Emotional stress release points. Is it pulsing on the left or the right? The left is logical, the right is creative, and together means that they're communicating really nicely. Beautiful. Okay, let's go have a look. Okay, so firstly I'm going to check some connections between the left and right sides of the brain. Sissy, trust, right. So the first thing showing up in relation to those feelings of persecution are trust and trust issues. Can you trust the world around you when you've been persecuted? Can you trust your family and friends if you've been persecuted? Can you trust yourself to move forward with integrity when you've been persecuted and don't want to feel that again? Trust and trust issues. So fear, threat, danger, fear of trusting and being heard, fear of trusting ourselves, fear of trusting government, fear of trusting authority, fear of trusting those in position, fear of trusting the elites, but mostly I trust myself and my integrity. I trust myself and my belief systems. I trust in my ability to see through and look at what's really going on. Trust, trust, trust. Okay, let's go have a look again. CC trust, AC right, so the next thing, so the trust is shutting down the frontal cortex, and as we know, that's our problem solver, our decision creating, our ability to create that energy, oxytocin, serotonin, dopamine. It's the center of love, it's the center of happiness, it's the part of the brain that allows us to be conscious moving forward in the world. Let's wake that little area up. Increasing dopamine, increasing serotonin, increasing oxytocin. I feel happy, I feel alive, I feel free, I feel love. Love, loving, lovable. Love, loving, lovable. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so there's escape, submission, freeze, so the brain wanting to run away rather than find solutions. What's the point of finding solutions when we don't trust the outcome? What's the point of finding solutions if we feel like we're going to be persecuted for our beliefs and our ideals and our integrity? I move forward with love, light and peace. I move forward with love, light and peace. I move forward with love and peace in my heart. I move forward with love and peace in my heart. Next one showing up is it's a hippocampal circuit, and it's lack of motivation due to internal negativity. So once again, motivation happens with that dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin area of the brain, that frontal cortex. So if that area is shut down, then we're running in survival, we're running in that reptilian part of our brain. So when our motivation gets shut down because of internal negativity, we're believing all the negative crap that's around us. We're not letting go of that negative crap on a daily basis. We need to increase our energy, 999, 999, 999. Increase that God energy, 999, 999, 999. Increase that love energy, 999, 999, 999. Increase that healing, peaceful vibration, 999, 999, 999. So, okay, so in relation to feeling persecuted, there's an old pain and punishment circuit that's holding us back from moving forward each time we feel persecuted. It sends us back inside ourselves, so we don't have that ability to speak our truth. We don't have that ability to act on our integrity. And once again, we need to forgive ourselves on a daily basis. If we're doing something we know not to fit with our integrity or our ethical or moral compass, especially the way the world is at the moment, we need to forgive ourselves, because there's a massive, massive mind field of emotions going on. There's a massive hypnosis across the world going on at the moment. We need to be aware. We need to be able to see it. If you can't see it, you're not aware of it. If you're not aware of it, you're part of it. And we all are there to some extent or another, and have been in different lives depending on our experiences. So if we're awake in this now moment, we're meant to be awake. We're meant to be alive in this now moment. We're meant to be feeling and speaking our truth. I let go of any and all past persecution. I let go of any and all present persecution. I let go of any and all ethical and moral dilemmas, and I work through my peace and integrity. I trust my moral compass. I trust my moral center. I trust myself to make the right decision in this here now moment. Okay. Okay, so going into the reticular activating system. So this shut down serotonin. So in relation to persecution, what that says is that it doesn't make us feel happy. When we feel persecuted, we don't feel happy. What a surprise. So we're going to increase serotonin, and then the second thing that's showing up is the noradrenaline point. So there's excess noradrenaline, that expectation of permanent stress because of persecution. So we need to calm down the expectation of persecution. We don't need to own it. We don't need to own other people's beliefs about us. What other people think about us is none of our business. It's none of our business. So, okay, so let's think serotonin. I am happy, I am healthy, I am safe. I am happy, I am peaceful, I am free. I am safe, I am happy, I am lovable. I am lovable, I am peaceful, I am free. Okay, now just checking again. Okay, so that's shimmied. So now it's noradrenaline with vigilance, right? So the noradrenaline's still there. We've sort of picked up the serotonin, and now the okay, cool. So excess noradrenaline, and okay, there's excess noradrenaline and the vigilance going on. So the nervous system is vigilant. for the next feeling of persecution. Don't forget, it doesn't have to be persecution. We're only persecuted if we allow ourselves to be. I choose to be free. I choose to be free. I choose to be free. And I am so aware of some of the atrocities going on around the world at the moment. The persecution with different people making different choices. The threats going on around the world. It's just hideous. The more of us that stand up and own our truth, the better. I am happy, I am safe, I am free. I am happy, I am safe, I am free, letting go of any and all past persecution, letting any of all present, letting go of any and all present persecution. Okay, my little beauties. Lovely. Now let me just double check the amygdala in the clear. No, that's good. Check frontal cortex in relation to trust. Corpus callosum in relation to trust and trust issues. Ah, beautiful. Okay, let me feel that for a sec. Okay, now we need to, just quickly to finish off, we need to grab that little throat chakra. So how does your throat feel? Does it feel congested? Does it feel closed? Does it feel blocked? So your throat chakra is about speaking your truth, waking yourself up. And of course, there's always the time and the place. You know, pick your battles. Pick your battles, pick your battles, pick your battles. There's no point being out there making yourself miserable either. There's just no point. But releasing any and all feelings of persecution, any and all feelings of trauma, any and all feelings of not being loved and wanted and liked for our opinions. Wake up that throat chakra. Wake up that throat chakra and forgive yourself if you can't speak up. Forgive yourself if you are conforming because of fear. It's all good. We all have to make the decision in this now moment that's best for us. Okay. Let me check the chakras. Beautiful. Okay, let me just double check. Okay. Thanks, everyone. I'll see you all in the morning. Take care. Have a good one.